Haribo, this is Eugene, Oregon. May 15th, 2014. Hendricks Park.
It's the springtime in Eugene, Oregon, and we are in the Kunja, where all the flowers are blossoming, only for this short time period. And we're smelling the fragrance of these incredible flowers. So beautiful and delicate. There's hundreds of varieties here in this park. And it just reminds us of the beauty of Vrindavan. How in Vrindavan there's so many fragrant flowers, all the trees, all the bushes. This is very nice udipan, stimulus for remembering Krishna's pastimes in Vrindavan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Ram
Ram Ram,
Ram,
Hare Hare.